Hello students, welcome to NIRS Education channel. Let us continue the lesson, the proposal. In our previous session, we came to know that Chubuko and Natalia were telling that their dog, Squeezer, was better than Lomo's dog, Guess. In return, Lomo was arguing that his dog was better than their dog. And at last, Natalia said, Lomo must go and lie on kitchen and he must catch black beetles instead of chasing foxes. Now let's continue the lesson. Chubuko, yes, really, what sort of hunter are you? Anyway, you ought to sit at home with your palpitation and not go tackling animals. You could go hunting, but you only go to argue with people and interfere with their dogs, and so on. Let us change the subject in case I lost my temper. You are not a hunter at all, anyway. Then Chubuko said, what sort of a hunter are you? It is better you have to sit at your home with your palpitation. You have palpitation problem, you have to stay in the home itself and not go tracking animals. You don't go behind animals, you don't try to chase animals. You could go hunting, but only go to argue with people and interfere with their dogs. You just go to hunting only to argue with other people and only to give trouble to other people. Let us change the subject in case I lost my temper. You are not a hunter at all anyway. Again, Chubuko said, you are not hunter at all. He said to Lomo. Lomo, are you a hunter? You only go hunting to get in with the count and intrude. Oh my heart, you are an intruder. Then Lomo said, are you a hunter? He said to Chubuko, are you a hunter? You only go to hunting to get with the count and to intrude. You go on hunting to join the count and to make plots. Okay, and to intrude. Intrude means evil plans. Oh my heart, you are an intruder. And again he said, you are an intruder. You make evil plan in order to give trouble to others. Chubuko, what? I am an intruder. Shut up. Then Lomo, intruder. Once again he says, you are intruder. Chubuko, boy pup, he called him. Boy pup. Pup means small dog. Chubu said to Lomo. Chubuko said to Lomo, you are small dog. Lomo in return said, old rat, Jesuit. Lomo called him old rat and Jesuit. Jesuit means cunning person, cunning or crafty person. Chubuko, shut up or I will shoot you like Partridge, you fool. Then Lomo said, I will shoot you like Partridge. Partridge means pigeon like bird. Lomo, everybody knows that. Oh, my heart, your late wife used to beat you. My feet, temples, sparks, I fall, I fall. Then Lomo said to Chubuko, everybody knows that. Before that, he said, before continuing something, he said, oh my heart. He has that palpitation problem. Your late wife used to beat you. Everybody knows that your late wife used to beat you. My feet, temples, spars, I fall. His physical condition was becoming worse. Chubko. And you are under the slipper of your housekeeper. Chubko said, you are under the slipper of your housekeeper. It means you are being controlled by your housekeeper. You are always hearing the words of your housekeeper. You are not using your own brain to take decision. You are being controlled by your housekeeper. Lomo. There. My heart's burst. My shoulders come up. Where is my shoulder? I die. Falls into an armchair. A doctor. Then Lomo says about his physical condition. My heart is bursting. My shoulders came up. They are pulling. Where is my shoulder? I die. I am dying. Like this he said, and he fell into an armchair. And he called a doctor. Chubko, boy, milk soap, fool, I am sick, drinks water, sick. Then Chubko says, boy, milk soap. Milk soap means covered. You are fool. Like this Chubko said to Lomo. Then Natalia, what sort of hunter are you? You can't even sit on a horse. To her father, Papa, what's the matter with him? Papa, look, Papa, screams. Ivan Vasilovich is dead. Natalia interferes. She says, what sort of hunter are you? You can't even sit on horse. Then to her father she says, Papa, what's the matter with him? There Lomo was not making any movement. That's why she is telling like this. Papa, what's the matter with him? Papa, look, Papa, screams. Ivan Vasilovich is dead. Ivan Vasilovich Lomo was not making any movements. That's why she thought he is dead. Chubko, I am sick. I can't breathe. Air. Then Chubko, he also became sick. He could not breathe. Natalia, he is dead. Pulls Lomo's sleeve. Ivan Vasilovich, what have you done to me? He is dead. Falls into an armchair. A doctor. Then Natalia, she pulls Lomo's sleeve and she calls his name. And she thought he was dead. She falls into an armchair and she calls a doctor. She was in hysteric condition, exaggerated reaction. She was showing exaggerated reaction. Chubko, oh, what is it? What's the matter? Then Chubko asked what happened to her. Natalia wails, he is dead. Natalia says, he is dead. He means Lomo is dead. Chubko, who is dead? Looks at Lomo. So he is, my lord, water, a doctor. Lifts a tumbler to Lomo's mouth. Drink this. No, he doesn't drink. It means he is dead and all that. Then Lomo, he was almost in unconscious condition. Chubko, he comes near him and he lifts a tumbler to Lomo's mouth. he poured water into his mouth. But Lomo doesn't drink water. Then Chubuko says, it means he is dead. I am the most unhappy of man. Why don't I put a bullet into my brain? Then Chubuko says to himself, I am the most unhappy man of man. Why don't I put a bullet into my brain? Why haven't I cut my throat yet? What am I waiting for? Give me a knife. Give me a pistol. Lomo moves. He seems to be coming round. Drink some water, that's right. Here, Chubuko, he regrets. He thinks because of him only, Lomo became unconscious or he is dead. That's why he scolds himself. And he wants to kill himself by shooting himself or with the help of knife. He wants to kill himself. At that time, Lomo moves. Then Chubuko says, he seems to be coming round. He seems to be coming round means he is becoming normal. Drink some water, that's right. He tells Lomo to drink some water. Lomo, I see stars, mist. Where am I? Still, he was in that dizzy condition. Okay. He says, I see stars, mist. Where am I? Chubuko, hurry up and get married. And well, to the devil with you. She is willing. He puts Lomo's hand into his daughter's. Then Chubuko says, hurry up and get married. To the devil with you. There is devil within you. You may change your mind within 2 minutes. So immediately you get married with my daughter. She is willing. He puts Lomo's hand into his daughter's hand. She is willing and that all. She is also willing to marry you. I give you my blessing and so on. Only leave me in peace. Both of you get married. I'll give you my blessings. Only leave me in peace. After marriage, leave me in peace. Lomo, getting up. Hey, what? To whom? Chubuko, she is willing. Well, kiss and be damned to you. She is willing to marry you. Once again, he tells that. Natalia wails. He is alive. Yes, I am willing. Natalia says, yes, he is alive. She thought he was dead earlier. Now she says, he is alive. Yes, I am willing. I am willing to marry him. Chubuko, kiss each other. Lomo, hey, kiss whom? They kiss. Very nice too. Excuse me. What is it all about? Oh, now I understand. My heart starts. I am happy. Natalia Stepanova kisses her hand. My foot gone to sleep. Then they kiss each other and both of them were willing to marry each other and Lomo was very happy at that moment. Still his condition was not good. His heart was beating and there was palpitation. Heart was beating rapidly and his foot has gone to sleep. It became numb. Natalia, I am happy too. She says she was also happy. Chubuko, What's a weight of my shoulder off? Okay. What's a weight of my shoulders off? It means his daughter is marrying with Lomo. These many days he was worrying about that. He thought that was a kind of weight on his shoulder. Now it is off, the weight of his shoulders. So he was happy. Natalia, but still you will admit now that guess is worse than squeezer. Natalia again says, you have to admit guess is worse than squeezer. Lomo says better. Natalia again, worse. Chubuko, well, that is the way to start your family bliss. Have some champagne. Okay, then Chubuko says, that's the way to start your family bliss. It means quarrel is common in family. Okay. Here after you are going to make your family. In family this kind of quarrel will be there. This quarrel is indication of starting of your family. Okay. Have some champagne, and he tells them to have some champagne. Champagne, a kind of wine. Lomo, he is better. Natalia, worse, worse, worse. Even after the proposal, also their quarrel continues. Chubuko, trying to shout her down, champagne, champagne. Then Chubuko says champagne, champagne. With that, the play ends. Okay. Here we can see both of them were quarreling, but the economic sense made them to accept the proposal. Probably even after the proposal, also quarrel continued. In this way, Russian families, they want to have or they want to develop relationship with another wealthy families. Their intention is increase their wealth and status. Okay. With this, we have completed this lesson. Thank you for watching video.